Okay, welcome to this presentation where we want to deal with the system of equations. System of equations. All right. So by system of equations, we want to see how we can solve the linear equations in 3 variables. Okay. Solving linear equations in 3 variables in 3 variables by elimination. So if you are looking for substitution, this is a wrong video for you. But if it is elimination, this is exactly what you have been looking for. All right. So how do we solve such equations? We'll look at an example. Or let me just say a question, not necessarily example, but a question. The question is solve the following. Equations. Okay. What are the equations? We have x plus 2y plus 2z or z, and the answer is 4. Then the second one is 3x minus y plus 4z. This is equal to 25. Then the third one is 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to -4. So these are the equations that we have. Okay. So how do we solve these? By elimination. So we are going to say these are our answers. So you can see that we have got 3 equations. You can see that we have got 3 equations. So we can pair them. You can pair equation 1 with equation 2. So we can say x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 4. Then we pair this one with the second one, which is 3x minus y plus 4z or 4z is equal to 25. We can do this. And we can pair maybe the first one, the order does not matter. 2y plus 2z is equal to 4 with the last one, which is 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to -4. So this is another set. So we are going to solve now these 2 sets of equations by elimination. So to do that, we need to decide which variable we are going to eliminate, whether x, y, or z. So in this case, maybe I will say, let me eliminate x. But to do that, the coefficients must be the same. So what you do here, you multiply by 3, here you multiply by 1, because the coefficient for the first one here is 1, and here is 3, so you swap them. So the moment you do that, you are going to have 3 by x to be 3x for the first one, plus 3 by 2y, it will be 6y, plus 6z is equal to 12. So the second one, it will now be 3x minus y plus 4z is equal to 25. So because we want to eliminate x and the signs are the same, so we are going to subtract. All right, if the signs were different, we would have added. So this implies that we'll have this will cancel. So you have got 6x minus y. So you get 7y plus 3x minus 4x. You get 6x. Let's take note. Sorry, it is 6y minus 6y minus y here. All right. Okay, so take note. I'm talking about the last one. It should be z. Okay, so please take note this one. Take note. I think it's very important. I think we missed that one. Take note here. When you multiply 3 by this, the answer is 6. So here it's supposed to be 6. All right. So we can move on. So in other words, here we're saying 6y minus y. So we are going to get 7. All right. So the other one is 6z minus 2z. 4z. We get 2z. Okay. This is equal to 12 minus 25. We get negative 18. We can call this now as my equation 1. So we come to this set. All right. So again, we can decide to eliminate x because we eliminated x here. So here you eliminate x, meaning that you can multiply by 3, here down by 1. This implies that we have 3x plus 6y plus 6z. The answer here is z. We get 12. I hope it is okay. Then down one here, it will be 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to negative 4. So we are going to subtract here. So this implies that this will cancel. So I've got 6y minus 2y. I've got 4y plus 6z minus z. We have 7z. This is equal to 12 minus 4. We have got 16. Okay, so this is our second equation. So we are going to now solve these two equations by elimination. So I've got 7y plus 2z is equal to negative 13. then 4y plus 7z is equal to 16. So we can decide to eliminate y, so meaning that here you multiply by 4 and here you multiply by 7. So the moment you do that, you have 7 by 4 is 28y, by 2 by 4, 4 by 2z, it is 8z, is equal to 4 by negative 13 is negative 52. Then 4 by 7 by 4y is 28y plus 49z is equal to 7 by 16, we get 112. All right. So again, because the signs are the same here, we subtract, meaning that this will cancel. Okay, so you have got 8z minus 49z, so we get negative 41z, and this is equal to negative 52 minus 112, we get negative 164. Okay, so we divide by negative 4, that is 41, negative 41. So what does it mean? So it simply means that my z is equal to negative 41 into 1 negative 164, it is 4. Okay. So now to do that, we need to find y. So to find y, we can use one of the equations, the ones that we created. Maybe we can say equation 1. All right, and equation 1 is 7y plus 2z is equal to negative 13. That is our first equation. But z is equal to 4. Then what is y? It's one we want to find. So we'll say 7y plus 2, z is 4, is equal to negative 13. So when we add the negative 8 both sides, so you have negative y, because 2 by 4 is 8. So when you add negative 8 both sides, you are going to have is equal to negative 18 minus 8. So what does it mean? That was 7y is equal to negative 21. So you divide by 7 by 7. What it means is that this means that y is equal to negative 3. Okay. So to find x, we can use any of the 3 original equations. All right, any of the 3 original equations. Let me take you back. Any of these 3. Maybe we can use the first one. Okay, so for to take the first one, we are saying the first one is x plus 2y plus 2z. The answer is 4. But we know that our y is negative 3 and z is, remember we got our z to be 4. So z is 4. So it means here I'll say 2, my y is -3, plus 2, my z is 4, and this is equal to 4. So what does it mean? You have got x minus 6 here when you multiply, plus 8 is equal to 4. So x -6 plus 8 is +2 is equal to 4. So when we add the -2 both sides, we'll have x being equal to 4 minus 2. And finally, our x is equal to 2. What does it mean? Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to -3, and z is equal to 4. So if you want to prove, you can substitute these values into any of the 3 equations, and you should be able to get a the correct answer. Okay, so that is where we end for this presentation. So in case you have been wondering as to how you can solve linear equations containing 3 variables, this video has just done that. In case you want to contact me, my name is Kambanpiri. Right, so you can contact me on 0978 56 58 76 via WhatsApp, or you can call direct, where my colleague is Yaomba Mbondo. Contact him on 0979 67 3809. Thank you all, and may God bless you. Okay.